There are 4 conventional methods for cleaning DPFs: thermal regeneration, pneumatic cleaning, ultrasonic cleaning, and dry snow treatment. Okay, coming back to our subject about DPF cleaning, it is a technique to prevent enormous spending on DPF replacement.
That is the exact reason why I am here. As I mentioned to you earlier, my vehicle's DPF got clogged and I am asked to replace the DPF by the service team. Unfortunately, cost to replace a DPF is way too expensive. I would rather consider buying a new two-wheeler vehicle instead of spending that much money just to replace the DPF.
I know. Well, you are not alone in this. I have come across many people who are in the similar situation. Fortunately, we are able to help them by cleaning the clogged DPF and achieve consistent results, which is very close to a brand new DPF condition.
Well, sounds like I am at the right place. Can I have more details about this DPF cleaning process before I can make up my mind?
Certainly. It's my duty to help you with all the details available. You will be well equipped to take a better decision after that. So primarily, there are 4 conventional methods for cleaning DPFs: thermal regeneration, pneumatic cleaning, ultrasonic cleaning, and dry snow treatment. All these methods have their own disadvantages and advantages. Let's go through a video to understand these methods better. Here is a summary of what you have seen in the video. As you can see, all the methods have its own advantages and disadvantages. What do you think of combining a few methods together to make the cleaning process more effective?
That is a brilliant idea. Combining some of the methods will complement each other to address the disadvantages, right?
Correct. Thus, based on extensive trial and error method, 2 major hybrid techniques have evolved: thermal pneumatic and hydro pneumatic. In thermal pneumatic, there are two stages. First is the cleaning of clogged DPF with pneumatic pressure, and then by baking if necessary. A pre and post back pressure measurement is done on the DPF to evaluate the cleaning effectiveness. In hydropneumatic method, high pressure water mixed with hydrocarbon fluid at a certain flow rate is used to clean the clogged DPF. This cleaning process is assisted with blast of air at specific intervals to ensure better cleaning. In this process, all pre and post back pressure and flow rate is measured to evaluate the cleaning effectiveness.
Oh wow, that is interesting. I'm sure there might be still some disadvantages in both these methods. Otherwise, we wouldn't be having two different technologies for the same purpose, is it not?
Well, that is debatable. This question is like asking which vehicle is better, diesel or gasoline. Both have its own advantages and disadvantages. Based on our requirement and appetite, we choose between both, isn't it?
Well, that's a good analogy. In your opinion, which method do you think is preferred, thermal pneumatic or hydropneumatic?
My personal choice is always hydropneumatic.
May I ask why?
With hydropneumatic method, both soot and ash is removed from the clogged DPF. In addition, the cleaning efficiency and the cleaning time is way better.
Does it mean that thermal pneumatic method is inferior in terms of cleaning efficiency and the cleaning time is way better?
If we are cleaning a partially blocked DPF, thermal pneumatic method is better in terms of cleaning time, but cleans only 60 to 70% effectively. On the other hand, in case where the DPF is completely blocked, it has to be baked in an oven for 9 to 12 hours, which is very time consuming. Here what you must be taking note is that baking removes only soot, not the ash. Inefficient DPF cleaning results in residual soot and ash accumulation in the DPF cells over a period of time. Due to repeated inefficient cleaning, the accumulated ash becomes impacted and becomes impossible to remove eventually. Since impacted ash is a very hard and dense substance, this causes increased back pressure and also acts as a thermal barrier, preventing uniform heat distribution during the regeneration cycles. This would result in DPF failure due to localized thermal loading. Also, the non-uniform heat distribution leads to hot spots inside the DPF cells, which could melt the precious metal coating on the DPF surface and eventually leads to SCR poisoning.
So, isn't there any disadvantages for the hydropneumatic method?
Well, based on my experience so far, I believe hydropneumatic is better than thermal pneumatic. Having said that, I am not saying all machines working with hydropneumatic are perfect. Appropriate optimization and adaptation is essential for all methods to deliver better performance.
Well, JJ, from all the insights you have given me as a subject matter expert, I feel inclined towards hydropneumatic cleaning method now. I truly appreciate you for sharing all these details with me, and it has made my life easier to go for the most practical option that is feasible. Thank you so much for the help. I will surely recommend you guys to my friends and the people that I come across with similar issues.
Happy to help. If you need any further help, please feel free to get in touch with us. Please visit www.elangattu.com for more information and our contact details.